Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Atomic Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Atomic Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that provides users with a secure way to manage, exchange, and stake over 500 coins and tokens. This wallet is designed for crypto enthusiasts who prioritize security, privacy, and a user-friendly interface. One of the standout features is that you maintain full control of your private keys, which are encrypted on your device. This means Atomic Wallet never has access to your funds, making it a highly secure option. For those who frequently trade or manage a diverse portfolio, Atomic Wallet includes a built-in exchange that supports atomic swaps, allowing you to exchange cryptocurrencies directly without relying on a centralized exchange. Additionally, Atomic Wallet integrates with popular decentralized exchanges, providing even more trading options. Another key feature is staking, which is available for a variety of coins. The staking rewards are competitive, and the process is straightforward, making it an easy-to-use wallet. It's an excellent option for users looking to earn passive income from their holdings. The wallet is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, ensuring accessibility across devices. The user interface is intuitive, with clear navigation and real-time updates on your portfolio's performance. Atomic Wallet also offers a native token, AWC, which provides additional benefits like reduced exchange fees and higher staking rewards when held in your wallet. This wallet is best suited for users who want a combination of convenience, security, and advanced features without sacrificing privacy. However, it's important to note that while Atomic Wallet is secure, it doesn't offer hardware wallet support, which might be a downside for those who prefer cold storage. Additionally, being a non-custodial wallet means that if you lose your private keys or backup phrase, your funds cannot be recovered. So, make sure to store them securely. In summary, Atomic Wallet offers a comprehensive solution for managing and trading a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Its strong emphasis on security and privacy, combined with an easy-to-use interface and powerful features like staking and atomic swaps, makes it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. So that's basically all about Atomic Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.